My name is Ben Seifert, and I'm a senior regional admissions counselor with the University of St. Thomas. So I provide a lot of different things, but ultimately, if you have questions during this admissions process or just your college search, feel free to seek me out. I help with whether it's admissions questions, whether to send an ACT or an SAT, to how do I get a parking pass. I'm your guy and you're welcome to give me a call. For me as a counselor, mostly seeing you at the beginning of your journey, that's my favorite time to see you go from just figuring out like, what is this college journey even gonna look like, to actually committing by the end and going off and moving in. I think that year just in general is really cool and special to follow along with you and your family. Mind the little things. So when you come to visit, if you want a second visit, come back. Give a chance to try the food. If the food's not good, you're not coming. You need to plan out not just going to school, but living here. This is going to be your community and getting a chance to really know it. We're a growing campus. We have new students that are being added every year from different parts of the country and the world. But for me, St. Thomas is my home. I grew up here, not too far away. My mom worked here, my sister went here. I grew up practically here on campus, and the students have always been a very good community, and they're really encouraging of whatever you want to pursue in your life. And now the school is becoming that as well, getting more majors, more connections to big businesses. We're really good at getting you hired, but ultimately it rounds you out to be a great person, and we've really seen that through our students. You can reach me in a lot of different ways. One of my favorite ways that students have reached out to me is email and text. That tends to be the best spots where I'm available, because as admissions counselors, we might even see you at your school. So those are usually the quickest ways you can get a hold of me. Thank you guys for listening to my interview. I hope you guys are enjoying your college search. It's gonna be a fun year, so slow down, enjoy every minute of it, and know if you need any help, I'll be here to help you with anything you need.